so healthy a kid can cook it, we are going to be making vegan mac and cheese. I like to add broccoli to mine, but you don't have to if you want to. It's delicious either way. Without further ado, let's get cooking. Wait. Before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. For this recipe, you will need the ingredients and instructions will be listed in the description box below. Place potato, carrot, onions, and 2 cups of water into a pan. Cover with a lid and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Oh, the water. Turn off heat and drain most of the water out of the pan, but not all of it. Oh, Lovey!
You can do it. Careful.
Stir in butter, nooch, turmeric, and salt until well combined, and until the spread has melted.
My arms.
Pour mixture from a pan into a blender or a food processor, along with the milk, and blend until smooth and creamy.
Oh my gosh. I'll get that.
Thanks. Turn heat on low and pour cheese sauce over pasta.
Ew!
Stir until well combined and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. My eyes! They burn! Gosh dang it!
You should be in an opera.
I don't know. Wait, opera singer?
It's gonna be from the stomach.
Mom and Dad. I got me some bowls.
Okay, that was
I'm done
perfect. You're done here.